if you want to build a long-term and thriving e-com brand, there are three pillars you need to have in place. The first one is you need an Amazon store. So as you can see, Amazon is dominating the online world right now. More than 80% of the marketplace traffic goes to Amazon. So that's how crazy Amazon is. And as you can see, I don't even list eBay or Etsy here because the traffic on those sites are not even comparable. So if you are not selling on Amazon, you are leaving a lot of money on the table. Another thing, another pillar you need to have is your branded store. So your branded store is what represent your brand. So if someone buy from Amazon and they really like the product, guess what? They will go to Google and search for your brand name. If they don't find your store, you are losing those traffic. And that's the reason why you need to have a store in place. And when someone wants to buy something from you, sometimes they will go search for your brand first because they want to know if you are legit. So if you have a store, you can convert those traffic as well. So another thing you need to have is your funnel. So a funnel is a website dedicated for acquiring a new customer. So as you can see, besides from Marketplace and Google, there are also traffic from social media, maybe Facebook, maybe Instagram, right? So how do we convert those traffic? Now, some people, they will try to drive those traffic to a store or to their Amazon page, but they are not getting a great result. And the reason why is because those traffic are relatively cold. They don't have much awareness of the product. In order for you to convert those traffic, you need to spend more time to build a relationship and to educate them about the product. And most of the time, your Amazon listing and your store won't do this job well. And the best tool you can have to do this, to educate your customers and to pre-sell them, is actually a funnel, right? So that's the reason why we need the three things in place. So this one is our base, is where our brand is. And this one is how we get traffic from Marketplace. And this one is how we bring more customers from social media. So it's like this relationship, right? So your repeat buyer will go back to your store directly. They may not go back to the Amazon page, and they may not go back to your funnel. So that's the three pillars for your e-com business. It's Amazon, store, and funnel. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.